Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to fold a dove. This is a traditional model. I'll be using a 6-inch sheet of kami. And we're going to start with the colored side down. Now we'll valley fold in half along the diagonal. So I'll bring the bottom left corner up to meet the top right corner. We'll just line those two corners up and then crease it all the way across. Then we'll rotate slightly. Next I'll bring this right point up to meet this top point. So just line those points up at the top and then crease. I'll do the same thing on the left side. Bring that up to meet the other 2 points and then crease that down. Next we'll take this point on the right side and bring it down to lie along this bottom point. And then crease that. Then do the same thing on the left side. And then unfold both of those. Next we'll bring this point on the right into the center where there's kind of an X here. And then crease that down. Then do the same on the left side. Now those 2 points should meet each other. Now unfold both of those. Next we're going to turn that into an inside reverse fold. So to do that we'll open this up a little bit. Then we're going to be swinging this point in through the middle. And that'll reverse this crease on the outside here. So just swing that point in using the existing crease. And then we'll reverse this one. Then it should look like that. Now do the same thing on the left side. Just open up a little bit and then swing that point in. Reverse the crease and then flatten everything. Next we'll turn the model over. And then we're going to valley fold the whole model in half along this vertical. So we'll bring this right edge over to the left edge. And then crease that down. Just like that. Next we're going to swing this flap out to the side. And I'll make a valley fold right here. Swing that out and crease it. And then turn the model over. Same thing on this side, just swing this flap out. Next we're going to rotate clockwise 90 degrees. And then we're going to valley fold bisecting this angle right here, which that will make these edges line up with the bottom edge. Crease that all the way down. And then turn the model over and do the same thing on this side. Next, we're going to make an inside reverse fold with this flap, and it's going to be right along this edge. And to do an inside reverse fold, you'll need to open the model up, and this point's going to swing in through the center here. So I'll show you from the top. Swing that down, we're going to create a mountain fold that runs along here, and then another one that runs along here. Then once you have those two mountain folds, you'll close the model back up, reversing this crease right here. Just like that. Next, we're going to swing this flap upwards, making a valley fold right along this edge. And then turn the model over. Then swing this flap up as well. Next, we're going to inside reverse fold the head right here. So we'll open up from the bottom, then we'll swing that point through, and it's going to start all the way from where the wing is here, which you'll notice there's a bunch of layers in there. You just kind of push through that as you're folding. Fold it down about like that. Now you could stop here if you wanted to, but it looks really cool if you add some shaping to the wings. And the way I do that is to make a bunch of pleats running along the wing here. This is just done to taste, so I start with the wing like this and make a small valley fold. And I do all of this really lightly. And then you reverse that with a mountain fold. Just right where that edge is. And then go back the other way. And again. And then one final time. So it looks like that. And then you extend the wing back out, and you'll see how the shaping looks. And then we'll just do the same thing on the other side with this wing. Just make sure to do everything really lightly, then it makes it look nice and round and lifelike in the end. Now we need to shape the tail, and we'll do this with crimps. So we'll open it up a little bit and then swing that through. And I start about there. And then I'll swing it back out. And then back in. one back out. Just like that. And then I'll pull the tail back out. It'll look about like that. Now you can play around with the different ways you shape it. You can fold these at different angles on the wings or do different things with the tail. But I think that looks pretty good. So we're all done. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, make sure to subscribe, and I'll see you next time.